Hello everyone, welcome to another Midjourney V4 tutorial. Today I will show you how to upscale your images in Midjourney in a really great way and a fast way. So as you can see, I have my prompt right here and I want to upscale this image right here, which is image 4, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is image 4, I want to upscale it. So what can I actually do to upscale this image right here? So what you can do actually is you can go here and click U4. What does that mean? That basically means that you're going to upscale image 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, right? So if we click image 4 or upscale 4, we can click upscale 4 here. And as you can see right now, it's upscaling the image 4 with, as you can see, this right here, which is this image right here. I use this image as a prompt, right? So right now we need to wait just a little bit until this image is completely done, right? Rendering. Now, as you can see, after a couple of minutes, we actually have a final product, which is our upscaled our upscaled image right here. So what we can do is obviously we can make variations if we want. We can click here if we want, right? If we like it or if we don't like it, and we can also go beta upscale redo if we want to redo the whole upscale. So let's say I am I'm pretty good with this upscaling. So what we can do is usually people will go here and save the image. So what you can do is just right click open image in the next tab, and here you can save an image, and then that image will be saved to your computer. Now what you can also do is you can also visit Let's Enhance IO, and this is great for image enhancer. If you want to enhance this image even more, you can drag and drop it in Let's Enhance IO. Now obviously this will cost you a lot of a couple of money, not a lot of money, right? You have free, which is free credits, which is 10 free credits, and then you have 100 credits for $9 a month. But you can absolutely go and create an account here, and then you can drag and drop this image right here into this, and it will upscale it even more. As you can see, this is how this program works, and it really works amazing. So if you want to use it, definitely use it. But that's pretty much how to upscale your images in Midjourney. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we will see you in the next Midjourney tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.